Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Monday, October 13th, 2008. This morning I thought I'd go through character by character handling in an input field in VisualWorks. And the reason I go through this is because somebody brought this up on the IRC channel last week and had a question as to how to accomplish this kind of thing. Let me tell you what I'm talking about. I'm going to bring up the posting tool, which I use for posting my blog. And I'll bring up this little Technorati tag tool. And I start typing characters. Goody. And now I hit return and it goes down there to the bottom. And that's the kind of thing I need to be able to handle is each entry gets checked. If it's the character return, something happens. Well, the question is, how do you do that? Well, let's close that and we'll go to the browser, bring that into view, and we'll go right in here to blog tools, go down to the package, and we'll find the Technorati tagger. And there's a couple of things you need to do. Let's go over here to the UI, to the interface spec, and we'll edit that. And let's bring that into view. And the thing we're interested in is this input field here, so let's go and select that here in the Properties tool. And if we scroll over here, we go to Notification. And this is where you set on change. I want to check for CR entry. Okay, now that's half the battle, because normally a change is when you tab or return out of the field. And we want that to be on every character. So that means we need to make a modification when we open up. So in the post open with method, and this happens after the UI is open but before control passes to the user, and we do this. We grab the tag widget, which is that input field with widget at, grab its controller and tell it, I want you to do continuous accept. Set that to true. What that means is every time a character is entered, do change notification. And that means that we can now have this method that I mentioned get called every single time. Now it comes in with an argument, which is going to be the controller. And all I have to do is send to the controller's model the value, which is the actual underlying string. Then I send first to get the character. And if I see that that's a CR, then I want to add that tag and clear the input, which means take the current word there, stuff it down below into that list box, and we're done. So all you need to do is set up this event handler, as I showed you before in the interface builder, and in your post open or post build with method, do this. Grab the appropriate controller, set continuous accept to true, and you're off to the races. At this point, you're getting character by character notification, and you can do whatever is appropriate for your user interface. So that pretty much wraps it up for today. Hope you enjoyed that. And until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.